In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from Airtable and import it into Excel. We'll guide you step by step to make this process as smooth as possible. So let's get started. First and foremost, you'll want to have Chrome open on your computer. Ready? Great. Now go ahead and type in the web address airtable.com. Once you're on the Airtable website, it's time to sign in. Enter your login credentials to access your account and open the specific base from which you want to export data. Whether it's for a project overview, a contact list, or any other purpose, the base you choose will be key to ensuring you get the correct data set. Once you've successfully signed in, it's time to dig a little deeper and open the specific table or view you need. Whether it's a table of contacts or project lists, make sure to select the one that holds your desired data. Keep an eye out for the view setting, whether it's grid, filtered, or sorted. Remember that only the information visible on your screen will be included in the export. Next up, we're going to download this information as a CSV file. So direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll find a menu denoted by 3 little dots. Click on these dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Download CSV. This action will prompt Airtable to prepare your data and download it as a .csv file directly to your computer. Now let's switch gears and work on opening this file in Microsoft Excel. Launch Excel on your computer if it's not already open. Head over to the top menu bar and find the File tab. Click on it, then navigate down to Open. Here, you'll need to browse your computer for the downloaded CSV file. Select it, and your Airtable data should open seamlessly within Excel. With your data now open in Excel, our final step involves saving this file in a more versatile format. Once again, click on the File tab located at the top left corner of Excel. This time, select Save As. In the subsequent window, you'll have the option to save your data as an Excel workbook. Go ahead and choose this format, which has the file extension .xlsx, and then confirm your selection. And there you have it. Your Airtable data has now been successfully exported and saved as an Excel file. That's all there is to it. With these straightforward instructions, you can easily manage your data between Airtable and Excel, providing you with more flexibility and control over your information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.